Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhawale Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is recursion. Let's see what is mean by recursion, what are the use of recursion, what are the advantages and disadvantages of recursion, and what are the types of recursion. Let's see one by one. Firstly, what are the recursion? Recursion is the Java process which is used to call the function by itself. It solves the many programming problems. Uh, when we use the recursion uses the solving the uh, programming issues. Then sometimes we use non-recursive function, but recursive function is more better than non-recursive function. With the help of recursion we can solve the many and multiple problems in the programming language. In that recursion we call the end functions. When we our functions should stop the calling by itself, that time we use the end function in our programming. Then I have a basic syntax of recursion. Then return type, method name, then method, then curly braces, method name, and close curly braces. With the help of recursion we can read the more problem and use that problem solving treatment in our programming language. What are the use of recursion and where we use the recursion? And what how works recursion in our programming language? Recursion basically divided problem into the subpart and find the solution of this subpart, and that solution provide the these main functions, and these functions call itself, that is called as recursion. Then there are some advantages and disadvantages of recursion. Firstly, I will discuss with you what are the advantages of recursions. First advantages of recursion. There have many application present in this module of recursion. It is a small code present in the recursion, and it is a compact code. Then it is easy to write code, and it is fastest to run. Then some and it is the stop calling uh, uh, non-usable functions. Some disadvantages of recursion. Recursion have easy code, but it is the hardest to understand and analyze. Recursion have some it is a less efficient. In that advantages, recursion we use the recursion to solve the traversing problem, like a tree, graph, hash. In this problem we use the recursion functions, and in this disadvantages, we used to, and it is hard to analyze the recursion problem. There are two main type of recursion. There is direct recursion and indirect recursion. What is mean by direct recursion? Direct recursion is in that functions call by itself, it called as direct recursion. And direct recursion have another four type of direct recursion. There is name, tail recursion, head recursion, tree recursion, and nested recursion. What is mean by tail recursion? In that function, when function is calling, that sentence is the last of function calling, that is called as tail recursion in the recursion. What is mean by head recursion? The functions call itself in the first statement. There is no operation performed before the these functions, that is called as head recursion, then tree recursion. What is mean by tree recursion? So there performs and calls the more than one function, that is called as a tree recursion. And then nested recursion, in that nested recursion we pass the parameter in that recursion, that is called as nested recursion. And then their second type of recursion is called as indirect recursion. So indirect recursion call the many function at the one time, and it functions calling circular in circular, mainly circular. So that's creates a confusion. And when we call the indirect recursion, that functions allocate the memory into the stack allocation memory. That's all about the recursion. Thank you so much.